Welcome to Stack Wealth, where we help you take your investments to new heights. Today, we'll dive into one of the most important tools in personal finance, Systematic Investment Plan, or SIP. In 2023, the SIP investment in India was more than rupees 1.8 lakh crores, which is 23% higher than the previous year. It's clearly a very popular method of investing in mutual funds. So, let's understand what an SIP really is. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. With an SIP, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, like monthly or quarterly, into a mutual fund of your choice. Usually, an SIP involves investing a fixed amount every month. Think of it as setting a recurring deposit for your investments. Once it's set up, you don't have to worry about timing the market or making those big investment decisions every month. It's automatic. And over time, these small regular investments can grow into a significant corpus. For example, let's say you start a 20,000 rupees SIP in a mutual fund. This mutual fund has given an average return of 14% over a 10-year period. Now, if you're planning to invest for 10 years, you'll be investing 20,000 every month for 10 years. After 10 years, you would have invested a total of 24 lakh rupees in this fund. During that time, every year, your investment could have earned 14% returns on average. The total returns you would have accumulated by 10 years would be 28 lakh rupees. So your total investment value would be 52 lakh rupees. Now, how does an SIP integrate with mutual funds? When you invest through an SIP, your money buys unit of the mutual funds at the current NAV. And if you're wondering what NAV is, check out our recent video to understand how mutual funds work. The NAV is basically the price per unit of the mutual fund on any given day. If the NAV is higher, your fixed SIP amount will buy fewer units. And if the NAV is low, you'll get more units. This process is seamless and ensures that you're investing regularly regardless of the market conditions. This also helps with the rupee cost averaging, which we'll explain later in this video. First up, regular SIP. This is the classic option. You invest a fixed amount at a fixed frequency, like 20,000 every month. It's simple, predictable, and works well for most of the people. A 20,000 rupees SIP every month in a mutual fund that's growing at 14% per annum can grow into 2.6 crore after 20 years. Next, we have Step-Up SIP. This is where things get interesting. A Step-Up SIP allows you to increase your SIP amount periodically, say every year. Let's look at the same example of rupees 20,000 SIP in a mutual fund that grows at 14% per annum for 20 years. In a regular SIP, your investment value after 20 years would be 2.6 crores. But let's say you have increased your SIP in contribution by 10% every year. This means that your SIP in year 1 is 20,000, but in year 2 it would be 22,000 and then 24,200 and so on. In this scenario, your investment value after 20 years would be 4.9 crore rupees. Next up, Dynamic SIP. Do you need more control with your investments? Well, with a Dynamic SIP, you get to adjust the amount you invest based on the market conditions. And here's how it works. During a bear market, the share prices of a company are lower. This means your NAV will be lower as well. At these times, you can increase your SIP amount to buy more mutual fund units. And when there's a bull market, you can do the opposite and lower your SIP amount. This practice can help you boost your returns in long term, but it requires you to time the market, which can be a bit risky. Now, let's understand the benefits of an SIP. The first one is rupee cost averaging. Let me give you a simple example. Assume you invested your first amount in a mutual fund when the NAV was 100, but the next month the NAV dropped to 80, but you invested the same amount that time. So, what's your average NAV now? It's 100 plus 80 divided by 2, which is 90, assuming you purchased one unit each time. So, what happened? You invested when the market was at 100, but you also invested when the market was at 80. This is exactly what we mean by rupee cost averaging. By investing at different market levels, you lower your overall cost of your investment. The second benefit is disciplined investing. This means having the discipline to set aside money from your bank account every month and invest it. With an SIP, you can even automate your investments by creating a mandate with your bank account so that every month a certain amount is auto-debited. To find out how it's done, stick to the end of the video. The third benefit and the most important one is flexibility. Let's take an example of COVID-19 pandemic. Assume you were doing an SIP of rupees 20,000 every month. In this case, you can pause your SIP for some time until you are able to continue investing the same amount again. And this is how the SIPs can be flexible. Now, let's discuss the most common dilemma the investors face. Should you choose an SIP or a lump sum investment? We'll examine this from three critical angles: risk and return, market timing, and psychological factors that influence our investment decisions. Let's start with risk and return. With lump sum investment, you are putting a large amount of money into the market all at once. This can be great if the market is going up, as you can capture all the gains. But, and it's a big but, if the market dips right after you invest, you could be looking at significant short-term losses. On the other hand, SIPs spread your investments over time. You invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, whether the market is up, down, or sideways. This approach naturally balances out all the highs and lows, thanks to rupee cost averaging. Next is market timing. Market timing is the art, or as some might say, the gamble of trying to buy low and sell high. But even experts find that challenging, as the market is very unpredictable. But with an SIP, you invest consistently, avoiding the stress of timing the market and spreading your investments across all the market conditions. Finally, let's discuss the psychological factors. Humans often react emotionally to the market ups and downs, leading to impulsive decisions like buying high out of FOMO and selling low in panic. SIPs help in reducing these emotional swings by encouraging regular disciplined investments and promoting long-term thinking. In summary, SIPs offer a more balanced risk-return profile, removes the need to time the market, and helps you remain calm and disciplined even when the market fluctuates. While lump sum investments have their place, especially if you have a large amount of cash available, SIPs are often a wiser and more resilient choice for most investors, particularly for long-term goals.
Stack Wealth is a new age investment management company that helps you take your wealth to new heights. Our team consists of experts with 25 plus years of experience managing investments for more than 1 lakh investors. Our team of experts help you curate a personalized mutual fund portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. They help you decide your asset allocation. They also help you identify high performing sectors to help you generate additional returns. And finally, we help you manage and monitor your investments in real time. First, download the Stack Wealth app from the Play Store or App Store and complete your sign up by entering your mobile number and email ID. Now you can explore the app, get your personalized mutual fund portfolio, or browse our various investment opportunities. To start investing, you have to complete your KYC. Once your KYC is completed, you can start investing in your personalized mutual fund portfolio or explore our expert curated investment opportunities. If you're not sure where to begin, your dedicated wealth manager will help you. Now you can start an SIP or make a one-time investment. Remember, you can always pause your SIP anytime and edit the SIP amount if you want to increase or decrease it. Finally, you can sit back, relax, because our wealth team will rebalance your portfolio based on shifting market conditions, identify and recommend new investment opportunities, give you monthly portfolio reports so you know exactly how your portfolio is performing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon to stay notified, because we are making finance and investing as simple as possible for everyone. Thank you for watching and goodbye.